Hello friends, welcome to Life Change Library, your go-to destination for transformative ideas and timeless wisdom. I'm Mr. Amin, and today we're diving into a classic that has inspired millions, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Published in 1937, this groundbreaking work is more than just a guide to financial success. It's a comprehensive philosophy of personal achievement. Hill spent over 2 decades studying the habits and principles of more than 500 successful individuals, including industrial giants like Andrew Carnegie, Henry Ford, and Thomas Edison. Wikipedia. In this summary, we'll explore the 13 essential principles Hill identified as the keys to success, not just in wealth but in life. So, if you're ready to unlock your potential and transform your mindset, stay tuned. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to Life Change Library for more insightful summaries. 1. Desire. The starting point of all achievement. Hill emphasizes that a burning desire is the foundation of all success. It's not enough to wish for riches, you must desire them with a passion that becomes an obsession. He suggests setting clear, specific goals and developing a definite plan to achieve them. Sam Thomas Davies, Teen Vogue 3, Wikipedia. 2. Faith. Visualization and belief in attainment. Faith is the visualization of and belief in the attainment of desire. By affirming your goals and believing in your ability to achieve them, you can convince your subconscious mind to act accordingly. Obel 4, MDI Business School 5. 3. Autosuggestion, the medium for influencing the subconscious mind. Autosuggestion involves repeating affirmations and visualizations to influence your subconscious mind. By consistently feeding your mind positive thoughts and goals, you align your actions with your desires. Cooler insights won't lead to success. Specialized knowledge is key. Identify the specific knowledge required for your goals and seek it out through study and experience. Exec 7. 5. Imagination. The workshop of the mind. Imagination is where ideas are formed. Hill distinguishes between synthetic imagination, rearranging existing ideas, and creative imagination, developing new concepts. Both are essential for innovation and success. Exec 7. 6. Organized planning. The crystallization of desire into action. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Develop a concrete plan and execute it. Be prepared to revise your plan as needed, but never abandon your goal. Teen Vogue 3. 7. Decision. The mastery of procrastination. Successful people make decisions promptly and clearly. Indecision breeds doubt and fear. Cultivate the habit of making firm decisions and sticking to them. Exec 7. 8. Persistence. The sustained effort necessary to induce faith. Persistence is the sustained effort needed to induce faith and transform plans into action. Overcome obstacles by maintaining a determined mindset and refusing to give up. 9. Power of the mastermind, the driving force. A mastermind group is a coordination of knowledge and effort between 2 or more people working towards a definite purpose. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals to support and encourage your goals. Wikipedia 8. 10. The mystery of sex transmutation. Sex transmutation involves channeling sexual energy into creative and productive outlets. This energy can be a powerful force when redirected towards achieving your goals. Oberlaun. 11. The subconscious mind. The connecting link. Your subconscious mind acts as a bridge between your conscious thoughts and the universal mind. Feed it positive thoughts and emotions to influence your behavior and outcomes. Cooler insights 6. 12. The brain. A broadcasting and receiving station for thought. Hill describes the brain as a broadcasting and receiving station for thought. By focusing your thoughts, you can tap into the collective intelligence of others and the universe. Obel 4. Cooler insights. 13. The sixth sense. The door to the temple of wisdom. The sixth sense is an undefined sense through which infinite intelligence may communicate. It comes as a hunch or inspiration and is only developed through mastering the other 12 principles. Exec 7. Summary. Think and Grow Rich teaches us that success begins with a burning desire and is achieved through faith, persistence, and a well-executed plan. By mastering these 13 principles, you can unlock your potential and achieve your goals. Remember, it's not just about accumulating wealth, it's about personal growth and realizing your dreams. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this summary. Which principle resonated with you the most? Share your insights in the comments below. Also, let us know which audiobook summary you'd like us to cover next. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Think and Grow Rich. If you found this summary valuable, please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to Life Change Library for more transformative content. Stay inspired, keep growing, and remember, your thoughts shape your reality. Until next time, take care and keep striving for greatness.